Hey, it's T. In today's video, I'll be taking you on an exciting ride aboard Tanzania's new electric train, traveling from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma. Two months after the launch, I'm finally getting my chance to try this amazing train. I am excited to share the journey with you through my lens. Welcome to my channel. I am a small YouTuber in Africa, showing you the continent in the best way I can. It's 5:30 and I'm going to get on the train. I'm leaving this place.
Our esteemed passenger, Chelsea, would like to inform you very closely. So for customers with the hand tickets, please proceed to boarding.
I'm going all the way to number 10. Oh my god. Ini number 10?
Mabibi na mabwana, tumebakiwa na dakika moja milango ya treni ifungwe. Mabibi na mabwana, tumebakiwa na dakika moja
and it will be closed.
ifungwe. Asanteni kwa
Still dark outside. So the train is leaving and it's going to take us like 4 hours to arrive to Dodoma. Tanzania's standard gauge railway has been built to international standards, earning 2 global awards. Since it started, the SGR has transported more than 180,000 passengers, with about 7,000 people traveling daily. Passenger services run between Dar es Salaam and Dodoma, cutting the traveling time between Dar es Salaam and Dodoma to just 4 hours, with trains running up to 160 kilometers per hour. It's more than enough. Hizi hakuna ndogo. You can share. It's happening. It's not allowed. Oh, really? Oh, okay. So it's time. It's coffee time and tea time. It's being served here. Right after we took off, the train's hostess began serving breakfast. They offer coffee, tea, and variety of snacks for those interested, but it comes at an extra cost. With my coffee in hand, I got to enjoy a beautiful sunrise as we moved along. We have stopped to allow another train to pass. We are giving it way. It's going to pass in a few minutes. Oh, that was quick.
Oh my God.
Oh my god, that was quick, eh? That was not even more than 3 seconds. As we continue our journey, let me give you a glimpse of what to expect on this ride. The interior of the train is designed to provide comfort and convenience for passengers, with spacious seats, air conditioning, and plenty of legroom. It's a modern experience that shows Tanzania's move towards advanced transport systems. The views outside are also incredible, from the bustling cityscapes to the open countryside. This train offers a unique perspective of Tanzania's diverse landscape. Morogoro is a big city. Is it a city? So there's a bigger part of Morogoro.
There's a bigger part, but a small area.
In just under 2 hours, we arrived in Morogoro, a central city in Tanzania. Morogoro attracts a lot of tourists as it's a gateway to some of Tanzania's most amazing national parks. So we have arrived at a place called Kilosa. This is part of Morogoro. So they have 2 stations in Morogoro. We are going underground. Now this is the real Tanzania. The hills and the valleys. There's only a few African countries that have electric trains. There is South Africa, Morocco, Senegal, Nigeria, Tunisia, Ethiopia to Djibouti, and now Tanzania. This $2 billion project is set to boost trade, connect cities, and drive economic growth, not just in Tanzania, but also within neighboring countries like Rwanda and Uganda. After a few hours, we made it to Dodoma. But before we get there, let me check out what the train's washrooms look like. There's lights. Oh, this is how it looks like. It's a whole floor, not like the one we have in Kenya. Those who are lucky got the table. Those were in the middle of the cabin. It's my heavy suitcase. We have arrived from Dar es Salaam to Dodoma. But look at that. Dodoma is sunny. Looks more like Namibia or Botswana here. Very nice. It was very smooth, very soft, no noise. People are respectful. That was economy class. Yeah, so it was pretty nice. That's it. Kama mmeogopa ende sasa.
Wewe busa tu, haina shida, busa tu katikati ya busa.
Unajua ufanye kazi kwa kulia.
Ah, basi.
Utaenda na ama lift.
Hamna lift.
Kuna lift pale.
Ni jamaa yuko mtaji mpira maarufu lakini sasa hivi
There's so many people. There's so many people, but like it's not chaotic as other places.